Furnotel 2-door fan cooling bar refrigerator. Body stainless steel 304 material. Thickness 60 mm. Foaming thickness 40 mm. Backboard galvanized sheet material. Durable use, good rust resistance. Backside has complete product information and warning signs. Telescopic power cable design, convenient for transportation and practical use. Hollow door glass, prevent cold leakage and fog. Equipped 2-layer shelves, professional refrigeration shelf, good anti-rust ability. Stainless steel door handle, diesel temperature control, protect cover for controller and switch. 2-door locks, keep food safe. Connect the back plug to the power supply, turn on the green switch. Machine starts to work. Turn on the blue switch, light on. LED light bulb, energy saving. 2 fan makes the inside cold air even. The number showing on the plate is inside cabinet temperature. When start symbol flash, compressor not yet working. Need to wait 2 minutes. Till start symbol not flash, compressor work normally. Press set key for 3 seconds. When temperature control panel see flash, can press up and down key to adjust the temperature. Press start key to start manual defrosting function. The start symbol flash. Compressor not working. Machine enter defrosting state. Turn off the machine simply by turn off the switch. Machine will automatically defrost for 20 minutes in every 4 hours. Energy saving and ensure inside no frost.